Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we are going to learn about system of linear equation. Okay, so let's begin our lesson. What is system of linear equation? A system of linear equation is a collection of two or more linear equations that contains the same variables. Our goal is to find the value of the variable that satisfy all the equations at the same time. Before discussing how to solve a system, let's first understand what a linear equation is. A linear equation is an equation in which each variable has an exponent of 1. For example, 2 times x plus 3 times y is equal to 7. Is a linear equation because both x and y have an exponent of 1. Its graph is a straight line. Now, consider the following system of equation. Okay, so we have a system equation like that. This is a system because it consists of two linear equations with the same variables x and y. The solution is the order pair x point y. They satisfy both equations simultaneously. Graphically, the solution is the point where the two lines intersect. There are three possible types of solutions. The first is one unique solution. This happens when the two lines intersect at exactly one point. The second is no solution. This occurs when the two lines are parallel and never meet. The third is infinitely many solutions. This happens when the two equations represent the same line, so every point on the line satisfies both equations. There are several methods to solve a system of linear equations. The first is graphing method. In this method, we graph each equation on the coordinate plane. The point where the graph intersects is the solution. Also, this method helps us visualize the solution. It is not always accurate unless the intersection point has integer coordinates. The second method is the substitution method. In this method, we first solve one equation for one variable. Then, we substitute that expression into the other equation. This reduces the system to a single equation with one variable. After finding one variable, we substitute it back to determine the other variable. Let's look at an example. Consider the system. For example, we have the system like that. From the first equation, x equal to 7 minus y. Substitute this into the second equation. We get 7 minus y is equal to 1. So, we get that 7 minus 2 times y is equal to 1. So, 2 times y is equal to 6. And y is equal to 3. So, substituting y is equal to 3 into the first equation gives. So, we get that x equal to 4. Therefore, the solution is 4.3. The third method is the elimination method. Instead of substituting, we eliminate one variable by adding or subtracting the equation. Consider the system. For example, we have a system like that. Notice that the coefficient of y are 1 and minus 1. If we add two equations together, the y terms disappear. We obtain 5x is equal to 15. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So, we just need to substitute x equal to 3 into either equation given. So we get y is equal to 2. So the solution is 3.2. The elimination method is often the fast method when the coefficient of one variable are already opposites or can easily be made opposites. Another important method is matrix method. A system of equation can be written in matrix from F, where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the variable matrix, and B is the constant matrix. Using matrix, we can solve system by applying Gaussian elimination, Gauss-Jordan elimination, or the inverse matrix method. Now, let's discuss how to determine the number of solutions. If the lines intersect 1, the system has one unique solution. If the lines are parallel, the system has no solution. If the equation represents the same line, the system has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, every system of linear equation belongs to one of these their categories. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is very helpful to understand the system of linear